In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage deadlines and dependencies in Monday.com so your projects stay organized, on schedule, and completely under control. If you've ever struggled with tasks getting delayed, team members missing due dates, or projects falling apart because one task depended on another, this step-by-step guide is going to make your workflow much smoother. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to visualize everything in a Gantt chart for full project clarity. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com productivity tips. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to add deadline columns so every task has a clear due date. Open your Monday.com board where you manage your tasks. Once you're inside the board, look to the far right of your existing columns and click on the plus icon that says Add Column. From the list of available column types, choose Date. This will insert a new date column into your board. Now click on the column title and rename it to Deadline, so it's clear that this represents the final due date for each task. You can now go through each row and assign a specific due date. This immediately improves accountability because every task now has a visible deadline attached to it. Next, let's talk about tasks that span multiple days. A single deadline works great for one-day tasks, but for longer projects, you want to use a timeline column. Again, click Add Column and this time select Timeline. The timeline column allows you to set both a start date and an end date for each task. After adding it, go to each task and select the date range it should cover. This is especially useful for campaigns, development sprints, design work, or any project that stretches over several days or weeks. Now that we have deadlines and timelines set up, let's enable dependencies. Dependencies allow you to control task order. For example, Task B can't start until Task A is finished. To set this up, click Add Column one more time and choose Dependency. Once the dependency column appears, go to a task that depends on another task. Click inside the dependency cell, and you'll be able to select the item or items that must be completed first. Now Monday.com understands the relationship between those tasks. This is where project management becomes powerful, because you're no longer just tracking dates, you're tracking task sequences. But here's where it gets even better. We can activate automatic schedule shifts so deadlines adjust automatically when something changes. Hover over the title of your dependency column, click the drop-down arrow to open column settings, and look for the option that says Adjust due dates based on dependencies. Enable that setting. Now if the first task in your sequence gets delayed by 2 days, all dependent tasks will automatically shift forward. This prevents manual rescheduling and eliminates the risk of forgetting to update connected tasks. It keeps your entire workflow aligned without extra effort. Finally, let's visualize everything using the Gantt view. At the top of your board, click Add View and select Gantt. This creates a timeline-style visual layout of your project. Once inside the Gantt view, make sure to turn on Show Dependencies so you can see the connection lines between tasks. You can also enable Critical Path if you want to identify the tasks that directly impact your project's completion date. One of the best features of the Gantt view is that you can drag tasks along the timeline and your deadlines will update instantly. If dependencies and automatic adjustments are enabled, connected tasks will move accordingly. This gives you a clear, visual way to manage complex projects without losing track of what depends on what. And that's it. You now know how to add deadline columns, create multi-day timelines, enable dependencies, activate automatic schedule shifts, and visualize everything in a Gantt chart inside Monday.com. When used together, these features turn your board into a powerful project management system that keeps your entire team aligned and on schedule. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.